maaga-aga ang pagkatok ninyo sa pinto ng pareso at magkita kayo sa Miguel, eh kung yung kakalimutan yung password. Nasa Philippians chapter 2. Tanong niya, sino ang katulad ng Diyos? And St. Paul would say, isa lang ang katulad ng Diyos. Siya who, though He was like God, did not think equality with God something to be grasped. Rather, He emptied Himself. Ito ang katulad ng Diyos. Isa lang katulad ng Diyos. Ang Diyos na nagmamahal ng lubos. Ang Diyos na dahil sa pag-ibig ay handang mamatay sa sarili. Handang mugarin lahat ng dangal ng kanyang pagka-Diyos. He humbled Himself. We have a humble God. And the power of God consists in His love. The love that empowers Him to empty Himself. He humbled Himself, becoming obedient unto death, even death on the cross. Napakagandang misteryo ito na proposed by St. And he says, ultimately, God alone can keep us together in unity. When we too can humble ourselves, when we too can empty ourselves of that over-assertive ego that has been the reason behind many wars and conflicts and divisions and intrigues in this world. Kapag nanlibaw yung ego. So, in summary, so for this first session, our reflection is really on unity. Living the sacramental priesthood means acting in the person of Christ who builds the church in unity. As one body,